I have one question for you guys. Is this the best sounding stock V6 you can buy? All right, guys, today we're in the Jaguar F-Type V6 Supercharged. Vince is going to the end. As usual, you can always expect that we're gonna rip our vehicle down here. That sounds good. That sounds good. For a V6, that sounds really good. And there's not anything aftermarket on this vehicle. So it's just straight sport mode. And it's got a button or a mode where you can select to turn valves off and change the tone of the exhaust. Here it comes. Hey. Go ahead, little Jag. Time might be a charm. Sounds good. For a V6, this is 100%. If I had to buy a stock V6, I would 100% buy this car. Completely not a biased opinion. This is what you... Oh, we're going again. And it's like when you put it in sport and you use the paddle shifters, it's very responsive, and it almost opens up like a whole new animal. I wouldn't drive this thing any other way than being with the paddle shifters. This thing is sick. Going, get in there, rub it up.
I can't even hold the fucking camera right. Jesus Christ. But that is what I imagine to be hit by like a 400-pound linebacker. Going shoulder to shoulder back and forth. Guys, these seats, this car's really small, really compact inside, so you feel everything. So if you're big and strong and buff and meaty like us, ain't that right, Peyton?
Yeah,
buckle up. Surprisingly, even though this is a V6, it has has a lot more kick than a lot of our V8s. I would say it has more kick than the, well, we only have one other V8 that doesn't kick. The Camaro is a manual, it's American muscle, it kicks. The Maserati feels a lot less powerful than this.
Yeah.
Although this has literally 100 less horsepower, the Maserati feels like it would have 100 less horsepower.
Like I said, when we were ripping it down the road, I don't think there's comparable V6 in the world, honestly. GT2 RS, GT3 RS, Nissan GTR. If you're gonna buy one and you don't want insane power, scary, I guess I'll call it scarability, this is your best option to buy, because it's not overpowered and it sounds amazing and it's a good daily driver. So hands down, I would give this like, what would you say, like an 8 out of 10?
Yeah, solid.
On like a scale of like V6s go. So that, I mean, just hands down, probably the best you can really do.
Guys, if they would have upped the 0 to 60 on this car would have, like, in a driver's perspective, this car would have been a 10 out of 10, hands down.
No doubt, you can put some money into this thing and make it better.
But guys, you gotta understand, this is a sub $50,000 car, low 40s even, for something that is quite reliable, sounds, you know, incomparable, and is fast enough.
It's the best you can get, man.
Hell yeah, tell him, Peyton, tell him harder.
It's the best around.
Okay.
Ain't nothing ever gonna bring us down.
Oh, Jesus Christ! We gotta get out of here! Guys, we've done every angle, let's redo this, guys. We're gonna do every angle, every aspect, every drip, every drop, every flip, every flop.
Damn, I love it, Dr. Seuss. Dang, that's sick. Hell yeah, brother. Go. That sounds so good. Is it like driving a real Jaguar?
Fuck, it's like riding a Jaguar.
It's like riding a Jaguar.
Out in the jungle.
It is so cold.
Guys, let me tell you something.
My fingers are fucking ice cubes.
Hit the like button.
Like and subscribe.